Voids. Lots of voids. Ducks. More ducks. Oh, Lord. Well, here we are. Blowing like 8-10 mile an hour. 20 degrees. Supposedly going to warm up. Got a good amount of snow overnight. And get the glove back on. Yeah, we got more of this Alaskan winter hail. Limited release. It's actually warm because it was sitting out. So it was hiding in some of my gear. Well, I was going to go camping, but we're getting this, like, I don't know, this is like ultra fluff snow. And it's supposed to be warming up this evening, and it's going to be damp, heavier snow on top of this. So I don't think I'm going to head out Thane way, avalanche. I mean, it's not like it would be a big one, but there's already a layer of snow up there, and then it's got this foofy stuff on it, and it's going to put heavy shit on top of that. No, not a good recipe. So we'll just sit out here, wander around. I ain't got much battery time. I brought the Canon and I forgot to bring a lens cloth again. I'm like brain dead on the lens cloth. Oh Lord, tide's rushing in. Yeah, it's gonna be a 19-footer, so it's coming in fast. Bored. Lord have mercy. Oh, that smells bad. Yep. Not much left, that's for sure.